Hey, Tom here with Prove It, and today we're taking a look at this RazorSharp Knife Sharpener. This is good for both kitchen knives and your sport type hunting knives, as well as scissors. It's got diamond coated ceramic sharpening blades, polishing, an adjustable angle here. It goes anywhere from 14 to 24 degrees. You see here, if I adjust that angle dial, it adjusts those sharpeners. It's got a guide right there on there that gives you some suggestions, but you can look at the knife you're sharpening, check it as well. Another important note here is right here on the top. Just trying to make sure you can see it. There's actually arrows here, directional arrows with the direction that you're supposed to pull the knife through. So I pointed this way, so you actually want to pull that knife through that way. It is not omnidirectional. There's only one way. You can only pull it through that way after sharpening. It does have rubber feet on the bottom here, so you can set it down on the counter and hold it firmly. It's not going to go anywhere. If you need a dead simple knife sharpener with adjustability for the kitchen or shop, be sure to check this one out.